we have a hero in the town. We have a COVID-19 Vaccine Hesitancy Grant. We've been working with the Theater Young Community Center, and I mentioned that any student who is who was successful in persuading people to get the vaccines would be honored as a hero. So, Dacia, are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
And you're our first community hero. We're so proud of you. You have been working really hard, and I heard that you're able to persuade anyone, even people who don't want to take the vaccines, to take it. So you are one of the top persuader. You have a fantastic ability to persuade people and to change people's attitudes. Could you tell us what you've done?
So what I've been doing with the town of Greenberg was calling people in our town, local areas, to see if they have been vaccinated or not. And so what I do is make the phone calls and write down data. And so far I have received two people to take the COVID vaccine and make appointments to get them done.
That that is really amazing. Could you tell us a little bit about yourself?
I am a resident of White Plains. I graduated in class of 2020, and now I am attending Mercy College, and I am studying psychology education.
And how long have you been working with the Theater Young Community Center?
I've been going to the Theater Young Community Center since I was like a little kid, like around 3. I started being more active when I was 9.
And the other question that I had for you is, what's the most difficult part of your task encouraging people to take the vaccine?
My difficulties doing it is making sure that people want to answer the phone, and when they do answer, make sure that they're interacting with us so that they're not just feeling concerned and worried.
Were you able to change anybody's minds?
Yes, I have been able to change people's minds, and also no at sometimes. So it's been difficult, but not that difficult.
That's great. I was thinking of, because I'm like so impressed, we're all so impressed with you, that, and I know President Biden and the White House, they're having difficulty also getting people to take the vaccines. And would you mind if I sent them a note and told them that we're fortunate in Greenberg to have a hero like you, and maybe maybe you could give people in Washington tips that could help them become successful? Would I have your permission to share your story with them?
Yes, you have my complete. Yes, you have my absolute permission to do the show.
That's great. I think you're just a tremendous asset to our community. We're so thrilled that you're part of our team, and you've been successful. I was on my bicycle and I was speaking to some people and I was asking them to take the vaccine, and I didn't have a lot of luck with people who were vaccine hesitant. So you have skills that a lot of people really would envy, and you should be really proud of yourself. I know you're going to be a great success in in life, and I'm going to follow your career with the greatest of interest. We're really so lucky to have you in our community.
Thank you.
Terrific. And what do you want to do? Oh, sorry, I was just curious. What's your goal in life after you graduate?
I want to be in the field of psychology, so either working with kids or adults even. So yeah.
So maybe that's why you're good at persuading people, since you have a psychologist mindset. And, I just want to also mention that, when you're applying for jobs, I hope you'll feel free to give them, my name and our name, because I'm sure that any person who's hiring will be really lucky to hire somebody as smart and committed as you are.
Thank you.